Hello, Larry at Hagemeisters. Wanted to show you today how to check your automotive fuses the proper way. So I've got my typical tester hooked up here. It's a voltmeter test light. You can see how it hooks up to this 12 volt battery, how we have it run. These fuses all have a test point in the top of them. So if we take our test light and touch in the top, on each side we can get our reading to show that the fuse is good in the car. But so many times people just pull the fuse out, like this one right here, and so, oh, that fuse is good, no problem. Well, guess what? That fuse is not good. Let me show you. Hook up our wires. It looks real similar to this one. And our test light doesn't work. Sometimes we can manipulate it. Doesn't work. We use our tester as I showed you in the test points, and it just started to work and then it quit. So it's dead. Under a load in the vehicle, it's a 20 amp fuse, so that circuit's going to have up to 20 amps. You would pull that out and say, oh, that fuse looks good. But when you actually test it like you should with the appropriate tester, you can see that the fuse is absolutely no good. So don't be fooled by looking at these fuses and thinking they're good. So here's another example. This is a glass fuse. You can see something on the glass, but you can't really see that it's totally burned. But when you hook it up, as we did the other fuse, and we got our power here, but we got absolutely nothing on this end. So again, the demonstration here is to show you that sometimes when fuses look good, they're not. Now obviously here's one that's totally burned. You can see that one. Just a quick little tip today on checking your automotive fuses. I hope you get some good information from these little things that we like to share.